1, 2, 3, go! And go! Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. In today's video, we're going to work through content for the 13 colonies. Use this video to help you review this content and help you with your teacher certification exam. Now let's take a look. Here's another problem involving the 13 colonies, and this one is involving the relationship the 13 colonies had with Great Britain. I'm going to start just by reading this one sentence since it's really short and just go through these options, okay? So here we go. During the 17th and 18th century, so that brings us to around, let's say, Jamestown, 1607 to the 18th century. Let's go all the way to the end of the French and Indian War, so that would be 1763. So around 150 years. During the 17th and 18th centuries, which of the following was the most common metaphor for civil order in Great Britain's North American colonies? So let's see, how was this relationship described? Okay, what was the metaphor used to describe these 13 colonies from Great Britain's perspective? Was it the efficiently run government bureaucracy? Someone wrote this, right? Efficiently run government bureaucracy. What a name, right? It's no, I don't think they reference the 13 colonies as an efficiently run government bureaucracy. Okay, so let's cross that one off. How about this one right here? C, the deferential religious congregation. Okay, no, right? That's probably not how the metaphor used to describe the 13 colonies, right? Were they described as the disciplined military unit? Far from it, right? If you think about the American Revolution and the fighting there, absolutely not, right? Okay, so what do we have? We have the 13 colonies were described as the well-governed family. And you think about it, the 13 colonies, that metaphor being the child of Great Britain, taking care of the 13 colonies, funding the 13 colonies, providing troops to protect the 13 colonies, right? All right, let's go to the next one. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want you to give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, and maybe check out a GOHacademy workshop. You can go to GOHacademy.com. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful. Everyone have a great day. Take care, team. Bye-bye.